From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
The fifth problem of 2025 WAEC OBJ question says, given that s to power minus n or to power 4 equals 1 over s to power 6, find the value of n. We simply apply the law of indices here, and from this, we know that if an indices is raised to another power, we use the product law such that this will be s to power minus n times 4, which is minus 4n. And we can also rewrite this from laws of indices as s to power minus 6. So this and this are equivalent way of writing the same thing. From laws of indices, we know that if the base are the same, their powers have to be the same. So we have minus 4n must equal minus 6. So you divide both sides by minus 4. And so n is minus cancel minus. 2 here is 2. 2 here is 3. Simply 3 over 2, which is C. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.